Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Good Spaces. I hope all of you are doing great and in the best of health. So in today's video we are going to do a DIY using this. This is a cloth bag. So we are going to use this in our DIY project. So stay tuned and I'll be back in a short time. Till then you keep guessing that what I'm going to do with this. Welcome back. Looking at this photo frame, you would have realized that I am going to make a wall art out of this. Yes, you're right. So first of all, I am going to stick these A4 sheets on the cardboard of the frame to give it a nice bright look because the cloth is a little thin. You can also go for chart paper. I didn't have it, so I am using these sheets. Cut the cloth according to the size of the frame. And now let us stick it using hot glue gun. This is how it looks. Now let us put it back into the frame. First goes the glass. Place it carefully. Followed by the cardboard. And then secure it nicely. And it's done. Let us style it now. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY. This bag is from Decor, and the moment I saw it, I wanted to do something with this because it is, so interesting. The print is so interesting. Any sports lover would love to have a wall art with these kind of prints. So it was fun doing it, and you let me know in the comment section how you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time with another inspiring video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.